Hello dear viewers, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you how to clean a mattress. We will figure out how to clean the mattress from dust, get rid of the unpleasant smell, and what is the best way to remove stains on the mattress. The mattress accumulates dirt, dust, dust mites, dead skin cells. In addition, a person sweats every night, and sweat is also absorbed into the mattress. There can also be various stains on the mattress, from blood and urine to wine and coffee. In general, let's figure out how to clean a mattress at home and clean it from various contaminants. The first thing to do is vacuum the mattress. Thus, you will clean the mattress of dry debris, dust, dead skin cells. Take the most suitable vacuum cleaner attachment and make sure it's clean. The second thing we will analyze is how to clean the mattress from an unpleasant odor. You can get rid of the unpleasant odors of the mattress with the help of baking soda. To make it convenient to distribute soda on the mattress, I poured it into such a jar. You can also use a sieve. Sprinkle the mattress evenly with baking soda and let it sit for 30 minutes. Vacuum the mattress after 30 minutes. The third thing I will tell you about is how to clean mattress stains. If there is a fresh stain on the mattress, try to get the stain out as soon as possible. To do this, moisten a cloth with cold water, rinse it out and blot the stain well. Then take a dry cloth and with patting movements try to dry the mattress as much as possible. While cleaning, don't rub mattress stains and don't use hot water to remove the stains. Next, take salt and baking soda in equal parts, add some water to make a thick paste, apply the resulting paste on the stain and leave for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the paste will dry out and can be vacuumed. Wipe the area to be cleaned with a damp cold cloth and dry the mattress well. If there are old stains on the mattress or you didn't manage to completely remove the stain with the first method, then do the following. In a cup or bowl, mix 2 parts hydrogen peroxide and 1 part dish soap. Apply the solution to all stains on the mattress with a brush and leave for 10 minutes. Try not to wet the mattress too much. After 10 minutes, you need to blot the mattress with a well-rinsed cloth dipped in cold water. Once the stain has been removed, blot the mattress with a dry cloth. Now leave the mattress to completely dry. If you want the mattress to dry faster, use a fan, and if the weather is nice outside, then open the window. My mattress is dry. Look, not a single stain is left on it. The mattress is perfectly clean. Now let me give you a couple of tips that will help you keep your mattress in perfect condition. The first tip is to use a mattress protector. It is easier to clean and you can always replace it if necessary. The second tip is to rotate and turn the mattress regularly. This should be done at least once every 3 months. Well, now you know how to clean the mattress from dust, bad odors, stains. I hope these tips will help you keep your mattress in top condition. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, I have many interesting videos. Thank you all for watching, bye!